Money and the law of attraction is the reprogramming of your subconscious mind. This is your meditation to attract money. This reprograms your mind by replacing those thoughts that do not serve you, those limiting thoughts with thoughts that will ensure, through the law of attraction, you will attract money. What is the law of attraction? You'll attract into your life whatever you focus on. Whatever you give your energy and attention to will be attracted to you. However, focusing on money might not always invoke positive energy and attention, as you could automatically focus on the lack thereof. The lack could be the automatic focus of attention. So instead of focusing on the money, focus on the following feelings. It's the feeling of freedom, of choice, of independence and stability. It's the feeling of clarity, of ideas, of opportunity, of progress and growth. These feelings lead to the right timing, synchronized timing, which leads to more opportunities, more resources, and more connections. As a result of this process every day, you will attract into your life what is necessary to fulfill those feelings. That is the laws of the universe, the law of attraction. This is your meditation to attract money, guided. Meditating in the morning or the evening is one of the best ways to utilize the law of attraction. Begin by getting comfortable. Find a chair. You may want to sit or lie down. Now close your eyes. Deep breath in. Breath out. Deep breath in. Breath out. Deep breath in. Breath out. Start to relax your body, beginning with your toes, from your big toe right through to your little toe. Allow a wave of relaxation to fill your feet, feeling heavy and relaxed. Your feet feel heavy and cannot move. You try to move your feet. They're so relaxed they cannot move. Relax your ankles. Now your lower legs. They're feeling heavy and relaxed. As you move to your knees, you feel rested. The relaxation continues throughout your upper legs. Your muscles let go, relax, and feel heavy. As the wave of relaxation continues, you feel it through your hips and your pelvis. This wave of relaxation then moves to the stomach and the muscles relax. Feel the wave of relaxation move to your chest and then wraps around the sides to the back. This wave moves gently up and down your back and chest. You feel calm and relaxed. The wave of relaxation moves down the arms, through to your elbows, through to your wrists, hands, and to the fingers. You try to wriggle them, and they're so heavy and relaxed that they stay there. Your shoulders are relaxed. You lower your shoulders. They are now relaxed and heavy. The tension dissolves and melts away. The The wave of relaxation moves to your neck, and you feel the muscles in your face relax, and the tension is gone. One deep breath in, and feel your entire body relaxing even more deeply. Deep breath out. You are now becoming completely relaxed, limp, heavy. Now focus on that wave of relaxation that is moving through the entire body. Deep breath in, slowly count 4. Breath out, slowly count 6. Breathe in, slowly count 4. Breathe out, slowly count 6. You are a confident and powerful individual. Your ideas provide clarity and move you towards abundance in your life. Your wealth gives you freedom and choice. You are surrounded by beauty and elegance, and your life feels very satisfying. As you move around life, you move freely and lightly, knowing that you can choose where and when you do things. You've achieved success in what you love doing. Through the value that you provide, you receive money which has built the wealth you have all around you. The success comes with ease and flow, and so does the money. People want to give you their money. You receive it from many sources. It flows with ease into your accounts. You have everything you desire, and you are fulfilled with all the feedback you receive from everyone. The money comes in as the money goes to those that need or those that you love. The world around you is amazing. Your life is so fulfilled. The abundance surrounds you and everything you do. Take some time to reflect on the abundance around you. You live on the water's edge, and you have the most breathtaking views to the sun and the crystal blue waters. You feel amazing, relaxed, and at ease. You have your family and the people that mean the most to you sitting and looking across the water. Life is good. You're barefooted and wearing the clothes that you love. They fit perfectly and you feel amazing. Everything about your life is amazing. You have the freedom to go wherever you like, whenever you like. You take a walk down to the water's edge to your boat. You climb into your boat. Imagine you're on your boat in the calm blue waters, the tropical waters, and you feel the warm sun and the slight breeze on your face. The water is calm and gently lapping against the side of the boat. You hear the birds gently above as they hover and look down and feel the energy, the vibe which connects you to nature. You lie in a beautiful soft chair in the shade of the boat. You're with the person you love as it gently rocks. With your eyes closed, you drift off into a deep void, a deep vortex. As you feel your body sink into the deep vortex, all you see is space, lots of space. You feel yourself move with the vortex slowly, gently. You feel lighter and lighter as the vortex takes you in. You don't feel your body as the space around you gets larger. You cannot feel your arms, your legs. There's space all around your arms, space around your legs, space around your head. Black space is all you see and feel. You focus on the black space. It moves gently around you, and you feel the energy, the frequency. You are now on a higher frequency. Feel it in your body. Again, you raise your level of frequency, feeling it. You raise your level of frequency again, even higher. You can feel that frequency again and again and again as it goes higher and higher. You are one with the vortex. Everything you want is in the vortex. The abundance, the clarity, safety, security, independence, choice, fun, adventure, happiness, peace, love, abundance. The happiness, peace, and love wrap themselves around you like a beautiful blanket that keeps you safe, secure, and warm. You're connected to the stream, the vibrational stream. Take some time to feel the vortex. Stay in the vortex and go even deeper. Relax. You have blended with the space around you. You're in the vortex. I love the feeling of peace and calm. I savor the feeling of clarity. I feel thankful for my resources to do what I do. I'm thankful for how I feel right now. I'm thankful for who I am, the abundance I feel. I'm thankful for who I'm being. I appreciate my point of attraction. This is such a delicious life that I'm living. I'm excited about the possibilities and the potential. I love the feeling of connection and intuition. I love the feeling of freedom and choice, the feeling of receiving and alignment. I love the feeling of right place and right time. And I love the feeling of peace and happiness. I like being who I am. Take some time to reflect. Time to reflect on the vortex as you go deeper and deeper into the vortex. Take some time to just stay quiet, stay silent, and stay in the space. Take some time to breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. And now as you relax with your breathing, take some time to just drift. It's time to come back to finish this meditation to attract money. Keep these feelings with you as you go about the rest of your day. You will, through practice, raise your levels of vibration each and every time to complete this meditation. Wriggle your fingers, waking up your hands and arms. Move your toes, allowing your feet and legs to wake up. Feel your muscles reawakening and your whole body filling with energy. On the account of 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, open your eyes and sit quietly for a moment while you ground yourself to your surroundings. When you are completely awake and alert, you can start your day feeling the wealth, the abundance that has arrived by raising your level of vibration, raising your level of frequency. Listen to this meditation to attract money, guided for the next 30 days, and watch your wealth and abundance present itself.